Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. This is another Christmas craft that I'm sharing with everybody. These are just not homemade, but gift bags that I made just using two 12 by 12 papers from a paper stack. I'm trying to use up all the Christmas paper and stuff that I have because I have so much. And sometimes when I went through my stuff, I had like double of the paper pads. So I don't have extreme amount of stuff, but I have stuff. And I thought I came across a video where I saw somebody making bags. So not only for Christmas, but in times when you need a little gift bag, you can just grab one of your stacks, get two pieces of paper that you like, and just put it together, and there's a bag instead of having to go out to a store. Now I've done it many times where I've had to stop at the store and get a little gift bag. I have a Christmas party every year, and I go to Dollar Tree and I buy, I think it's a 2 for $1 gift bags. Now those are slightly bigger than these, but from what I'm putting in it's fine. And these are just going to my friends and family, and I thought, again, it's a great way to use up paper, especially the paper part of the paper pad that had words all on one page, like this sentiment, peace, joy, and love. That's was one page. The other one, it says happy holidays. So I just paired them, two pieces of paper together, and like I said, I scored on three sides 3 inches, and then on one side I scored 1. The couple of the videos that I saw had double-sided paper, and I didn't have double-sided paper, and they folded the 1-inch side on the outside, but I decided not to do that, and because some of the paper colors would remain the same. Like, for example, like this one, it's all the same. So I just thought it still looks cute when you do it on the inside. So just some more samples of what I've made. Made this one. Here's another one. I still have to put the... so this is an example of the one page that has sayings on it. What happens under the mistletoe stays under the mistletoe. So that was cute. This is the side. One video I saw, they left the top square, and then another video I saw where she pinched it at the side, so it kind of gave it that angled look. So that's what I've done with most of mine. I just used whatever kind of ribbon I had. Again, these are not, I just went out to friends and family. So I just used that type of ribbon. And here is another one. This is all the same. It's all paper, and the inside I still have to cut. I just used a hole punch to create the hole to put the ribbon through. This is a different material. I also made this, again, another one, happy holidays. So yeah, just using up all the paper that I had to make these bags, and it saves me from having to go out and buy. And like I said, if you have other paper bags that are not Christmas, I'm just using these because I have a lot of Christmas paper I'm not readily using this year. And but if you have other ones, like for Mother's Day or just a birthday or something, this is a great quick thing to do. I mean, they're not, these are 12 by 12, so I don't you could also probably make it if you had bigger size paper. And of course, definitely there's one lady, I think she did 4 sizes, 3 or 4 sizes made from 12 by 12, so cutting the paper down, or one was by 6 by 6, so really tiny ones that could be decorative, and yeah, very cute. So I'm gonna put a link to the channels that I use to use this as a source of inspiration, but they're quite easy. And it took me no time to really put these together. It's just picking the paper, the ones that you want to pair together, and then cut in some glue. And like I said, I used a hole punch just to create the hole to run the ribbon through. But you can use any other tool that you use for things like that. So these are the paper bags that I made. So I hope you like them. Please leave me a comment below and tell me what you think. Again, very easy, and especially in those times when you need a bag, you don't want to stop at a store. They're not very big and not huge, but if you want to put a little gift together and you don't have a little bag and you have tons of paper that you want to use up, just grab 2 nice pieces of paper and you can create a bag. So thank you everybody for watching, and take care.